Hey Gemma girls, for this week's video, I'm obviously not in New York City, so guess where I am? Well, actually not far away, 3 hours down south in the Bahamas. And I'm here with my Gemma bags, J-Tote and Jackie. Follow along. Alright, so here I am in the hotel room with my Jackie, and it's unpacking time. So let me show you. I brought my Blair jewelry case and all my clothes packed in for a 4-night stay in the Bahamas. And I have my shoes here. So the awesome thing about the Jackie is that you can fit up to 3 pairs of shoes. So I'm a golfer, as I mentioned to you guys before. So I have my golf shoes right in here. And right here. And then on the other side of the Jackie, I also have a second set of pair of shoes, my heels for the wedding I'm attending this weekend. Right here. And then I have all my items in the bag. My keys, my sunglasses, my charger, and so I'm really excited for this vacation. And I'll share with you guys more on the adventure with my Jackie and J-Tote. And the summer vacation begins. I'm heading to the pool right now, and I have my J-Tote with me. I brought sunblock, water, sunglasses, perfect tote for the beach or the pool because it's lightweight and it's water resistant. It's now the evening. I'm going out for dinner. I have my Bella with me. I just want to show you what I packed in sight. I love the Bella because it's small. You can fit your cards in there, but also you can fit like hand sanitizer, lipstick, makeup in general, a ton of things, and it can also fit my phone. So it goes right in the pocket right here. And so it's easy. And I like to carry it as a shoulder bag right now. And so it comes off looking like that. It's really cute. And off I go to dinner. Packing my Blair jewelry case. Because I'm attending a wedding, it's important to bring all kinds of jewelry, so this is super helpful. I have my hair tie here, I have my rings, which I'm going to take off for the event, obviously. And I have different sorts of earrings depending on my outfits for the weekend. So I have that packed here and more here, right here. So I'm really excited to kind of decide what I'm going to wear for this weekend. And I have my Jackie cosmetic case right here with all my toiletries in there, my toothbrush and makeup and everything. So it comes in really handy for everything I need this weekend. And for the grand finale of this video, I have the wedding outfit that I spoke to you guys about previously. I am wearing this to the wedding this weekend, and I have my cherry red Maggie with me as well. It goes perfectly well with casual outfits, but as you can see, it goes really well with formal outfits as well for the wedding. And so this is it. I hope you enjoyed the Bahamas video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.